Hey guys, this is Aaron. I have a little bit of an issue with my Face Me component, primarily his outfit. It's winter time here in Colorado and I need to get some more weather appropriate clothes on my Face Me. So I'm going to have to import a new image that I can use and create a new Face Me. So as I do that, I figured there's a couple of good skills we could touch on. The first one is going to be importing and scaling an image. So I'm going to start by just getting rid of this existing Face Me. And I'm going to come up here and say File, Import. I'm going to start by making sure that I have all image types selected. That's the last import type I did. So I'll make sure that's still selected, all image types. And I want to make sure that Use as Image is selected. I don't want texture match photo in this case. I actually want Use as Image. And then I happen to have an image right here on my desktop that I can say Import. All right, so I'm bringing that in. You can see it's a totally natural, just me just walking through the office, somebody happened to snap a picture of. I'm going to go ahead and place this. I'm going to start by clicking on the origin, click right here, and then it's going to have me drag out that image. This is going to set the scale of the image. I'm honestly not too concerned about what scale it shows up as right now. So I'm just going to click again just to get the image in there. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get it properly scaled. So I'm going to start by drawing a line. I'm going to take that line from the top of my head straight down on the green axis vertically to my foot. All right, I'm not worried about how big that is. I just want to get a line. I want to get that line in there as a point of reference. This is a little bit easier way to use the tape measure tool then to scale my drawing. So what I can do is I can click on this point and click on this point, and it will tell me down here how big that is. That is 10'3" and 1/16 of an inch. Now I'm a tall guy, but I'm not quite that tall. I am in fact 6'2" inches. So I'll type that in and hit enter. Now it's going to pop up and say, do you want to resize the model? That's going to take everything in the model, which at this point consists of my image and line, and scale it to that size. So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. That is the reason I did it. And there we go. So now if I was to come in here and pull a dimension from the top of my head to the bottom of my foot, it'll tell me it's 6'2". All right, last thing I'm going to do before I start drawing my scale me is I'm going to get rid of that little line there. I'm going to select the image and I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to rotate it by clicking on the edge, click, and I'm going to tip it straight up. There you go. Now it's kind of in the orientation that I want. It's not a Face Me yet, so it will spin as I move around. This is good. I want this for my reference image. I want it to be flat and I want it to be vertical. And now I'm all set to actually start drawing the lines that will make up my Face Me. Thank you.